Customize your ride, a deep dive into personalization. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's both simple and profound. Customize the ride. This expression is not just about vehicles. It's a gateway to understanding how personalization affects our choices and experiences. So, let's buckle up and dive into the world of customization. Customize the ride refers to the process of making modifications or adjustments to a vehicle to meet the owner's specific preferences or needs. This can range from simple changes like new paint colors or seat covers to more complex modifications like enhancing the engine's performance or installing state-of-the-art technology. The key element here is personalization, making something uniquely yours. While the phrase initially applies to cars, motorcycles, or bicycles, its implications extend much further. To customize the ride can also metaphorically mean tailoring any experience or journey to your personal taste or requirements. This could apply to customizing a career path, educational journey, or even lifestyle choices, emphasizing the importance of individuality and personal preference in shaping our lives. The concept of customization has gained immense popularity, especially in the digital age. From social media filters to personalized shopping experiences, the desire to customize reflects our innate need for individuality. In cultures around the world, customizing the ride symbolizes status, creativity, and freedom, showcasing how personal touches can transform the ordinary into something extraordinary. Customizing your ride, or any aspect of your life, requires thoughtful consideration. Here are a few tips. Identify what matters most to you. Whether it's comfort, style, performance, or efficiency, knowing your priorities is the first step. Research and plan. Gather information about the possibilities and costs involved. Planning helps in making informed decisions. Seek professional advice. Especially for complex modifications, consulting with experts can ensure that your customizations are both feasible and safe. Express your personality. Use this opportunity to reflect your character and tastes, making your ride truly one of a kind. We hope this exploration of Customize the Ride has not only illuminated the phrase's meaning but also inspired you to think about the broader concept of personalization in your life. Remember, whether it's a vehicle, your career, or your lifestyle, making it uniquely yours can add color, meaning, and joy to the journey. Thank you for joining us, and may you always find ways to customize your ride in ways that reflect who you are and aspire to be.